Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how you can make Squarespace templates. So let's get started. First of all, in a new tab, open squarespace.com and click Get Started button. So first method is to preview Wyckoff. After that, after selecting preview Wyckoff, now start with this design. And another method to make Squarespace from scratch is to go to templates. After going to templates, click on the Get Started button. Now click on Let's Go button. So here put your website name and now click Next. Now select your home page and now click Next. So here you have to add other pages. After adding other pages, choose the color palette here, choose the font size, and now click the Continue button. Now Next, and then Get Started button. After that, here you have the home page. So click Edit button from the top left corner and now start editing the name of the website and etc. So click Add Section and now select sections accordingly. After all the edits, click on the Save button. If you want to add logo, click Top, Site Title Logo, and after adding it, click on the Save button. So that's how you will make Squarespace templates from scratch. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.